Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in.
That man is looking for him to have a baby soon.
Honestly, my son is 19, so my son is 22.
Oh.
I don't.
He want to start over?
At this time in my life, like I don't see myself having any more children.
Right.
Pop.
Her son is 19. God dang it, yours is 22. Why he want to have another baby?
He want to start over. He want
You're a
one more.
22-year-old. You want to start all the way over. Okay.
I want to be able to say no 1,000 times a day, and just to be able to grow up and teach somebody how I want to be.
Probably now that he's older, he must have had him. Oh well, 22. I guess he probably had him really young.
Be a family.
Or maybe he didn't raise his child.
I've been
Oh yeah. Wasn't around like he wanted to be. So yeah, he want to make up or try it
Is he someone
again.
that's your type? Yes. Very nice. Very well spoken. It seems very
He's
charismatic.
family oriented. That's good. That's a blessing.
I like the bashfulness, kind of like
Yeah,
the
honey.
little shyness of him. Yeah, exactly.
I like him.
You said that you don't want to have no more kids in the future.
He's smart.
I do not. To be honest, I think in this moment in my life, I'm just more interested in enjoying life and having fun. I've spent a long time, like I said, my son is 19, so I've spent a long time being a mom. So I think I'm just more focused on me right now.
What I believe and what I think, sometimes we as people, we say things for the moment,
He's
but
saying he
later
could
on down the
get her
line,
change her
things can
mind.
change. So on that behalf, I hear you, but kind of doubt it. Other than that,
I'm sorry.
no, I'm just saying because people mind change all the time.
Your body language, like you kind of seemed like you was just tired.
It's been a long flight. It's been a long day. It's just.
I understand, but I wanna see a little bit of upbeat person or whatnot. You just seem like you was tired, and I get it.
I am. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am. Try.
We have a lot of beautiful aquatic spots or whatnot. I myself, again, I love being around water. Water is soothing for me. But I'm in Alabama.
We wanted to keep them together. They weren't brother sister. They were boyfriend girlfriend. I think you're getting your answer, right? That's okay. So the only issue to me is whether or not this clause was enforceable or not. What can you say to me now to suggest that this liquidated damages clause was not enforceable?
All I can say is we never consented to that giving it all away. That's all I can say.
I appreciate that. Okay, yes, Judge Acker, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I guess I'm not terribly sympathetic to your position because you didn't do your research before you got this far. I mean, I know a little bit about Jack Russells. I've had some experience with them. Never owned one, nor would I. They are feisty.